Hello everyone, welcome to SCI-EASE. In this video, I am taking up the last topic and very important one of the chapter Light of class 8th. And the topic is, what is Braille System? We know that some children, they are visually challenged. Some persons, they lose their eyesight due to some disease, and some persons, they lose their eyesight due to some accident. So, for those visually challenged persons, one system, that is a Braille system, was given by Louis Braille, himself a visually challenged person, in the year 1821. He published this system in 1821. So this Braille system is very helpful for the children and all the visually challenged persons to read and write. Okay. Now, most popular resource for visually challenged person is Braille. It is after the name of Louis Braille. Nowadays also this system that is used, and this system that was published in the year 1932. Now, Braille system has 63 dot patterns and characters. It has 63 dot patterns like this and characters, and each character, it represents a letter or combination of letters, a common word, or a grammatical sign. So, by using this system, the visually challenged person can study some of the languages, mathematics, and scientific notations also. Many of the Indian languages, they can be learned by this Braille system. Visually challenged person can read various languages, Indian languages, by this system. So, how a visually challenged person recognizes the letters? He or they, you can say, recognizes these dots and lines by touching. Okay, they recognized it by touching. These dots and letters, they are somewhat raised so that they can easily recognize it by touching. And each character has to be memorized. So these persons, this is must that they should memorize each and every character so that they can read or write easily. So Braille text, they can be produced by hand or by machine. Typewriter, that also helps a lot. So I have written some of the words like C. The letter C, that can be depicted by these dots and lines. The letter A, that can be depicted by these dots and lines. Letter T, that can be depicted by these dots and lines. So the word cat, that can be written or that can be read by such persons, visually challenged persons, by touching these dots and lines. They will read that this is the word cat. For and, such type of the pattern that is there. For comma, such type of the pattern that is used. So for mathematics also, for scientific notation also, various patterns or characters they are used, this thing is must that visually challenged person, they can memorize. They have to memorize the characters. Then and then only they can read or write. We know that many of the musicians, they are blind, they can't see, but God has given them a beautiful voice. In the same way, you can see that they uses other senses more sharply. They don't have the sense of sight, but they will use other senses more sharply. Okay? So, many persons, they are renowned. One of the lady, I want to tell you here that Helen Keller, she was a very good author, world-renowned author and lecturer in the university. So you can judge that how such persons, they are so talented. They are so talented. They go to various competitions. They go to various competitions, and so they get so many beautiful prizes also over there. So this is a very important topic, and we should know how these persons, they can read and write. You know that in every city there is blind school, and there the teachers, they teach them how to study and how to read and how to write. So with this, my chapter Light of class 8th, that is finished. I will come with some other chapter in my next video. Till then, thank you very much.